Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you are facing this problem, unable to verify app and internet connection is required. If you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open setting application. Guys, first thing is make sure you have strong internet connection. Guys, after that, guys, I have written the article about this problem. You can read the article link in description. Now see the next solution. Tap on general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone will be solved after reset network setting. And after that, see the next solution. Open setting application. Here guys, now scroll down and tap on general, and guys tap on iPhone storage and delete iPhone update. Here you can see, scroll down. Here I am using iOS 17 update. Simply tap on it and simply delete update here guys. And guys, if these methods not work, now see the next solution and last solution is, after that scroll down and find out Safari application. Here tap on it. Now scroll down and simply tap on clear history and website data. Tap on clear history. Guys, I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.